So I found the folks with Stronghand tools here at the SEMA, at the PRI show, and these guys sell welding tables, but not just your standard welding tables. These things kick ass. Just tons of adjustability and everything to be able to build what you need to build, set everything up really rigid, aligned properly. They've got all kinds of little adapters and tools to allow you to set everything up. And check out how easy this stuff works. Unscrew the handle, pull it out, put it back in, tighten it down, it holds it in place. Awesome. They carry several different models of welding tables. These guys have also got a rotisserie welding table. This is just too cool. Awesome. Hopefully you'll see these on our website soon.